Hi, this is Lee from EasyLights.com. This tutorial video will walk you through the steps needed to put your EasyLights controller into wireless setup mode. Wireless setup mode can be engaged with the controller powered on and after it completes its startup process. The startup process is complete when the controller displays source E131 as seen here, or standalone if it were running in standalone mode. Wireless setup mode can be engaged with the controller in either E131 or standalone operating mode. First, press the enter button to bring up the main menu. Press the down button several times until the Setup Wi-Fi menu item is highlighted. Press the enter button to select the Setup Wi-Fi menu. Brief instructions will be presented directing you to connect your smartphone, tablet, or computer to the EasyLights access point and complete the setup. Please see one of my other Wi-Fi setup mode videos for more details on that process. Once you have completed the Wi-Fi setup process from your browser, the EasyLights controller will display "All done, press any button to continue." At that point, press any button to restart your controller. Upon restart, it will be connected to your home wireless network. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.